everyone, I'm Dr. Shivani from Tiny Pulse Dental Care. Welcome to our dental health series. So, do you know a completely knocked out tooth can be saved? Yes, absolutely. A knocked out tooth, we call generally as tooth avulsion or avulsed tooth, can be saved by taking some following steps. So, first we will discuss how this tooth avulsion happens. It often happens due to trauma like a sports injury or maybe fall or maybe an accident. So, this is a serious situation, but knowing what can be done can make a big difference. So, someone you know experiences this situation, do follow these steps immediately. First, be calm and reassure the injured person and hold the tooth carefully. Hold the tooth only the crown part, do not touch the root part. So what is this crown part means? The tooth which is on the upper, that is which is visible over the gum. So that is the crown part. You hold it by only the crown part. And if the tooth is dirty, then rinse it with saline water or milk, but gently. Do not rub or scrape it, or do not use any soap. If it is possible, try to reposition the tooth into the socket. If not, keep it moist. Like you can place it in the milk, or you can place it in the saline water, or you can keep in the person's mouth in between the cheeks and gums. After this, go to a dentist immediately so that he could reposition the tooth into the socket. Here the time is very critical in this situation. So the best outcomes can be seen if it is repositioned within 30 minutes. So quicker action is very important here. The sooner that get repositioned, best will be the survival rate. So if you have any questions or need any emergency dental care, so please do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you. Thank you. Have a good day.